Ooh, traffic just came to a standstill, so we expect there's going to be a little bit more going on up here. That's alright. That's okay. We deal with this shit every day. Alright, what are we looking for? Sudden movements. Here, it's going to be slow turns, which are, you know, slow sounds like, oh, you don't have to worry about it. Actually, let me tell you, slow is the worst, because slow just gets people parked on this line, and you're trying to go around them, or you're hoping they're going to move so they clear space. You're trying to do all this math and time things out. Man, get on your brakes. Just get on your brakes. Don't do the math, just get on your brakes. Don't try and punch the gap, just get on your brakes. Don't be silly, just get on your brakes. Don't be dumb, baby, get on your brakes. You know, or don't, you know what I mean, whatever, it's up to you. But I'm just saying, it's always better to slow down when coming up to a problem than to try and speed up and go through it when you don't know what the problem is. You know what I mean? Assess, respond, move on. Don't respond, react, get upset. You know what I mean? That's just silly goosing. You ain't no silly goose.